There are a lot of options out there for CME conferences, but we like to think of what makes our conferences unique, something that we call the CEC difference. First of all, the destinations.
You get a combination of relaxed retreat while also updating all of your clinical knowledge at the same time.
If you can pick a place where people want to go and they can combine a little bit of vacation with a really valuable education, that's a winning combination.
You have lectures from 8 o'clock in the morning to just after noon. And afterwards, the day is yours. You can go and explore. You have the premium places in the world to see the locations.
And they did the classic one where they used the rose, eucalyptus, clove, and lemon. And in that far
The main difference would probably be the speakers. Our speakers really are what make our conference shine, what brings people back year after year.
The speakers were incredible. They were on the front line of making the protocols and the recommendations of the societies.
Really choosing this faculty is the key. I cannot enough say how wonderful the faculty were during this course.
And that's really important. They're coming from top medical institutions, academic centers.
These conferences really stand out because the audiences are so engaged, not just the people that are in the conference room face-to-face, but also even online and through the live streaming.
It's important to us to make sure that the viewer watching from their home or their office is having the same experience as those viewers who are actually there in person, participating live in person at the conference.
You're getting at the real clinical, practical questions that individuals are facing and confronting. And so whether it's talking about an individual patient case or really, ask a more provocative, question about where the field is going. I think those types of interactions and those questions really liven the conference, and all the attendees benefit from those.
I'd say definitely peruse through and try to find a topic that you enjoy, because you won't be let down with the conference itself, because the speakers are amazing, the setup is great, the live streaming option was also amazing. So I think all in all, it's a great conference that people should look into in terms of getting their CME credit and also getting up to date on their information.